Of course, you can mix them. For instance, here there are some bulbs missing, so I can just grab this, go to a section view, then I can select this and this, isolate it, and just create a similar bulb here, set the orientation, and create a similar pressure regulator here, and also select that orientation. HR to restore, and that's it. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 shortcuts for Revit. The first one is the temporary hide isolate tool. You can find those tools here, but also you can use the shortcuts HI to isolate, HR to restore, and HH to hide. This light blue border indicates you that something is temporarily hide or isolated. This is very handy when you're working on a very crowded area, like a mechanical room with stuff overlapping, and you want to be focused on just one system, one service, or one area of that entire room. The second one is the section box. The shortcut of this is BX, and what it does is to create a section box centered on the selected items in a 3D view. If you don't have a 3D view open, it would create it in the default 3D view. You can create a different section box, but just selecting another stuff and repeating the command. Or if you are already in a 3D view, you can just select something and accommodate the size of the section box to whatever is selected. The third shortcut is the create similar tool. This is kind of a copy, but it works differently. For instance, if I copy this valve here, the new version is not connected, it's just a copy with the same orientation, and it carries out the values on the instance parameters. Here, this valve number was carried out to the copied instance. But if I use CS to create a similar version, I am prompted to place a fresh new instance, and this would not have values in the instance parameters, and I can just insert this in the model and it's going to be connected. This is very handy to populate valves because you won't have the issue of duplicating valve numbers without the intention of doing it. Of course, you can mix them. For instance, here there are some bulbs missing, so I can just grab this, go to a section view, then I can select this and this, isolate it, and just create a similar valve here, set the orientation, and create a similar pressure regulator here, and also select that orientation. HR to restore, and that's it.